best indicator in the world, polynomial. And why do I like it so much? Because I can easily read the impulse wave and then the corrective wave giving me an entry point. Or a bearish trend impulse wave coming outside, giving me a correction, giving me the perfect place to enter into a trade lower. Now for the polynomial, it automatically prints on the charts. This is an uptrending stock, so the impulse wave will be with the uptrend. Once it breaks out, it will show us the consolidation pattern, giving us the perfect entry point. Back into an impulse wave, into consolidation, giving you the perfect entry point. Impulse wave up, into resistance, close your position, counter trend trade, down into support, enter into a new position. Impulse wave up, into resistance, exit out of the trade. Impulse wave up, not as big as normal, counter trend trade, down into support, enter into the trade. Impulse wave up, exit the trade at the target. Counter trend trade consolidation, at support, enter into the trade, and up it goes. Let's make it a little harder. Impulse wave up, exit the trade. You have these highs here acting as resistance. Draw your line down. Once you touch the bottom line of the polynomial, enter into the trade. Once you touch the top line, exit the trade. Impulse up. When it breaks the impulse, you draw in a channel, enter at the support of the channel. Impulse leg up, exit the trade if it breaks below your impulse wave. You can use your lows to draw a support line down into your next entry point. Impulse wave, consolidation channel, enter into the trade. Now up against resistance, exit the trade. Anytime you can use any other technical analysis to prove the point to help confirm exiting the trade. Impulse up, use the support of these candlesticks to confirm along with the polynomial to enter into the trade. Draw your impulse line up in case it doesn't hit that outer band. Once you get a break below, exit the trade. Draw your channel down. Once you hit the polynomial, get into the trade and duplicate the process. Once you're at the top of the polynomial, exit the trade. Use anything else you can to confirm that. Impulse wave up, hits the resistance, consolidation back down, enter into the trade. Take your profits at the resistance of the polynomial. But did you notice this was the highest high and we're making a little bit lower high now? And you can see the curvature of the polynomial is going down. So let's reverse this as a down trade up against resistance and short this to go lower. Polynomial up into resistance, exit the trade. Wedge formation at the support of the polynomial, enter into the trade. Higher highs now making lower highs as the direction of the polynomial goes down, showing a resistance. Great place to enter to the trade lower. Impulse wave up, touch the line, get out, break below, wait for a touch of the polynomial, get in. Exit the trade at the highs, enter into the trade at the lows, and right now we have equal lows with the polynomial going down. Little resistance channel to take this trade lower. Big impulse wave into resistance, back down to polynomial support, not quite to the polynomial highs, but that's why you have to use other indicators and have a watchful eye because this was a double top. Exit the trade, enter the trade, horizontal support, polynomial, also at the consolidation point, take profits, up channel against resistance with the polynomial going lower. Great place to enter into the trade lower. Highest high, making diagonal resistance, support bounce, enter into the trade, up against resistance, exit the trade, or enter into the trade lower. Equal highs, making a break below the highest low. From these highs to these highs, they are lower highs, and the polynomial is going down. Impulse wave lower, consolidation, enter into the trade lower. Downtrending polynomial, resistance, enter into the trade lower, impulse wave down, take profits at support, counter trend up, into resistance, take the trade lower, take profits at polynomial support, consolidation, up against polynomial resistance, enter into the trade lower. Polynomial curving down, highest highs, lower highs, impulse wave down, consolidation, up into polynomial resistance, great place to take the trade lower.